點解越嚟越多人喺香港都會更加多人去參與呢件事嘅，因為佢實在太方便啦，唔需要器材啦，咁可能我隨時隨地都可以做到㗎。如果真係自己去開始嘗試嘅時候咧，最好當然有教練嘅指導啦。我就玩咗呢個運動咧，大約就5年啦。開始玩呢個運動嘅時候咧，咁基本上冇乜運動底子啦。原本由一個乜嘢都做唔到嘅身軀啦，咁變到慢慢就越嚟越多動作可以駕馭到啊、應付到啊。咁其實我覺得呢個運動最大嘅吸引力就喺呢度。
It is a dance/martial art and it's from Brazil. In the circle, we take two people who play capoeira, like one person attack and one person defend. It's like a game of chess. You have to learn music. You have to learn instrument, you have to sing, you have to learn Portuguese. In the capoeira, a lot of flow, flexibility, strength, and creativity.
At first, it appears to be a choreographed dance routine accompanied by high-energy Afro-Brazilian music. But a closer watch reveals much more. This is capoeira, a combat game that was developed by African slaves as a form of self-defense during the Portuguese colonial rule of Brazil in the early 1800s. After the end of slavery in 1888, it was increasingly used by miscreants for unlawful activities and consequently outlawed in 1892. Songs and swings were then added as masquerade when it was practiced on the streets.
We are not doing the same thing. Of course, we are following them, but we are not doing the same thing. The technique change, the movement change, Right now, it's called roda, which means wheel, circle. The people play music. The berimbau is the instrument with the string. It's the main instrument. Berimbau, drum, that tambourine, it's called pandero. That circle, like an orchestra, and they charge the circle, keep the energy in the circle. That's why we call it bataria, which means battery.
Over the years, it has become sophisticated and modern. Its popularity growing, with it being practiced in over 160 countries. In India too, it has about 3,500 students through in-school curriculums and 9 training centers in the 3 Indian cities of Mumbai, New Delhi and Jaipur, coexisting with traditional Indian martial art forms.
Kalaripayattu, it's a mother of martial arts. All the martial arts base comes from there. Different between Kalaripayattu and capoeira, I would say music, because music is like medicine, And for me, it's crazy because I have never thought I'm going to sing in my life.
It is a martial art form that is practiced in a non-violent and non-combative manner. Niyati Patwardhan, a lawyer by profession, has been learning this dance-fight-music-sport combination for the past 2 years.
Somehow doing capoeira has, for the first time in my life, made me catch a beat. So I think that's what's crazy. And I actually go back home feeling much more pumped up and ready to do things and not curl into bed, which is crazy because you're just exerting so much. But your spirits get lifted so much. Maybe it's the music, maybe it's the community, but you just get home recharged.
The ban on capoeira was revoked in the 1940s by the Brazilian government. And since then, it has captured the imagination of many around the world, including 29-year-old Shiva, who started 7 years ago and is expanding its reach here in India.
It's not doing an art or doing cool things. For me, it's a lifestyle. And I'm still baby in capoeira. I'm nothing, but I'm still learning what is missing.